Hey everyone, you're watching Rate Fixes. On this video, I'm going to talk about how to check or what are the system requirements to install Windows 11 on your Windows 10 machine, and we will also talk about how to download and install PC Health Check app software, which allows you to download and install Windows 11 whenever it is ready for a rollout. Now, without any further delay, let's get started. Now, these are the minimum requirement to install Windows 11. The processor should be a minimum 1 gigahertz or faster with 2 or more cores. Minimum of 4 GB RAM. Storage needs to be 64 GB or a larger storage device. System firmware has to be a UEFI secure boot capable, and graphic cards, it has to have DirectX 12 compatible graphics or WDDM 2X, and the display should be a high HD resolution of 720 pixel. Then internet connection, which needs to have a Microsoft account. Internet connectivity is required for a setup for Windows 11 Home. Now, these are the minimum requirement. The internet is required to initialize the setup, and post installation, not necessary that your computer needs to be connected to the internet. Now, there is also a way to go ahead and check for the compatibility. What you can do is you can go ahead and you can install the PC Health Check app on your computer to see if your Windows 10 is compatible. So let's go ahead and check how to download and install PC Check app. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on download app. As soon as the download is complete, you will have to go ahead and open the setup. In my case, I have already downloaded the PC Health Checkup app. As soon as the PC Health Check app installation is complete, it will launch this app on your computer screen. This is how it would look. It will give you a various status. So as soon as you launch the app, you will see an option which says introducing Windows 11. To check if your PC is compatible to install Windows 11, all you have to do is you will have to click on check now, and you would get a pop-up saying that great news, this PC meets all requirements for Windows 11 and it's free. We'll let you know when it is ready to install, which means that currently my PC is ready to install Windows 11, but the Windows 11 is not available at the moment. Whenever it is available, Microsoft will let us know or will notify us. So what I understand is Windows 11 will be readily available for the normal users sometime early in 2022. So I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, and possibly you would be seeing a lot of Windows 11 issues related videos on my channel. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.